Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of failed searching on the application of Pinterest. We go to settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Pinterest and you will click. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about Pinterest app. Here you can uninstall your app and you can install it again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.